It's a video. Yeah, I have an idea where we're at.
I love into a video.
It's roundabout coming.
Is that it? Should be straight, shouldn't it?
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah,
we're golden.
It keeps turning right.
Yeah, we're
The
golden.
road keeps going around right. It could be up here on our right. Oh, wait.
Runway 38 Alabama. Yeah, Convoy 13, you're out at 14.
Hopefully the road will go back right.
TV Hill anywhere?
No.
There's the mosque. We need to be that way.
Yeah.
Oh, no. We're going right. We passed the fucking mosque yesterday.
We do go the same way you're talking about, 3 o'clock. To the right.
Are we going 3 o'clock again here?
Yeah, I'm pretty well enough.
No, I think we go straight across, don't we?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you asshole. Yeah, here's the bank. Okay, I got an idea where we're at.